here we have one handcrafted.
I made those pensions, so the money's still going to me.
And there is, let's see if we can get a moment with, oh, there is Indigo moving around. Indigo! Indigo! Can you tell us about your booth?
Okay, so we are Lavender Balm Apothecary, and we do everything handcrafted, handmade for all of your magical needs. We have for love and for abundance and for self-love and for protection. So we have some new stuff. So we can look over here. Bitch, be gone! And we have unbinding, and we have a couple of really new ones here. We have that Albalon shell. We have, this is my love spell bath bomb. Sorry. And we started because everything is with the natural and everybody likes their weed, you know. And
is this the one and all Palo Santo?
yes, it is.
Now, for those of us who are just learning, when would you use Palo Santo?
Palo Santo is a clearing. It is a clearing. If you have, most likely, if you have indigenous or if you're from the Caribbean, if you're from the Caribbean, you can also use this for clearing, for just cleansing the house and everything else. Even just as clearing your mind, clearing your spirit, just clearing your space.
It's just always great. I love Palo Santo.
And then we have this, which is the Sensolite, and I fell in love with this. And then it has and you can literally put any candle you want in it, which I really like. It's really interchangeable. I just love it. There's a lot of the stuff that's here, and we also have these, which is witch bottles. So everybody needs water. Everybody needs to hydrate. So why not do it style? So then they have everything from the seed eyes. We have just a little bit of everything there. On this section, we have
These guys? I believe they are $5.
It has tourmaline, it has the sage, it has
Along with the
feather,
stem.
so that you can keep your hair in the space. And then we also
These
have
ones
an
that they're
abundance
wrapped with,
ritual kit.
that's what they
It's
come.
abundance ritual kit. Actually has we have the Palo Santo, we have the feather, we have the sage, and we even have a little bit of cinnamolite. I'm sorry, I'm always saying it wrong. And then we also have a little bit of a lavender bundle in there too. And then we also have smudging spray, which smells really awesome. Love it.
What has been the bestseller at WitchsFest USA? What are people coming for?
Everybody's coming for sage bundles. We have sage bundles here. We have this is a little abundance. This is for lucky charms and everything else. It's mostly for clearing. And a lot of the weed stuff. And everyone is loving the shells. Everyone's loving the water bottles, everything.
Now, speaking of clearing, how do you do your clearing? Because everything is handmade here.
Yes, everything is handmade.
So how do you do your clearing before you're about to send something off to one of your clients that stop by?
Actually, before every time that we actually clean, we clean everything before anything. Before anybody touches it, we clean and we cleanse everything, and we charge everything personally by myself, by Janelle, and by Jada.
So happy to see you again.
Yes, it's so good to be here. I'm so glad you're here.
We're gonna do a little bit more walk of WitchsFest USA, and again, checking in with Indigo Ortiz.